Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom room on Mecha Break. So let's say, for instance, if you'd want to play with your friends alone, you can simply create a room and invite them and you can play together. Now, to create a custom room, all you have to do is launch the game on your PC or on your console and sign into your account, and you should get to this homepage. And then from here, simply select the tactical station at the top. And then from the options that appear, select the custom room. So here it is, select it. Then give it a few seconds. And then to create a room, all you have to do is select create a room. And then now you'll be prompted to choose the map that you'd like to create a room for. So you can either choose a random map or you can choose the available maps that are currently available. So select the map that you'd like. So let's say this one. So select it. And then once you select it, you can now add your friends if you'd like. So all you have to do is select the plus icon, and then you can see this option, invite a friend, or if you don't have friends, you can simply add a bot if you prefer. Now, additionally, you can customize the room settings. So all you have to do is select the room settings at the top of the screen, and then you should see you have selected the map. So if you want to change it, you can change it from here. And then you can simply you can choose to invite friends. So you can select invite friends and find the friend that you'd like to invite. So you can either choose your Xbox friends or your console friends, or you can choose the friends that you have and invite them. If you like to add a bot, you can simply select add a bot and then choose the bot that you prefer, and also choose the level, the difficulty level. So if you want a normal, easy, very easy, hard, very hard, and choose the level of that particular bot and select the one that you'd like. Additionally, you can choose to modify the squad, so select that. And then you can modify the squad by adjusting the player position. So if you want to move this player from squad 1 to squad 2, you can simply select them and then drag them to the other side. Now, additionally, you can choose to enable the room password. So select room password and choose any arrow and choose the arrow, sorry. And if you like to enable the room password, simply select yes, and then type in the password that you'd like to use for that particular room. You can also disable it if you don't need a password. And also you can choose to enable or disable the duplicate strikers. So you can either select no restrictions, 2 per squad, whichever you prefer. So choose the options that you prefer. So use the arrows again, select these arrows. And once you're done, you can simply go back to the room details, and now you can customize it to suit your needs. Now, once you have customized it and you have added friends or bots, all you have to do is press start, and then you should see this notification, insufficient squad members if you don't have enough, and you can choose to add bot. So since we are just testing it out, you can simply select continue to battle, and there you go, you have successfully created your room, and you can see you're the host. So that's basically it on how to create a custom room on Mecha Break. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.